Reiki 1 Lesson 16. Use your imagination with Reiki. Reiki is present in all living things. Your imagination is the only thing that can set limitations on its uses. We have listed some of the most common in this lesson. Reiki and animals. All animals adore Reiki. Large or small, fierce or friendly, animals are extremely sensitive to the healing energy of Reiki. Start practicing with your own pets, and as you become more confident, you can move on to other people's pets and animals. As with treating humans, Reiki will go where it's needed most. The only difference with animals is that they often guide you to the exact place that requires treatment by moving around until your hand lands on the exact spot. Animals will also let you know when they've had enough by moving away. There is a huge market for treating animals with Reiki. Use your imagination to develop your own techniques for treatment and develop a marketing strategy. Talk to your local vet or animal welfare centre. Advertise. You'll be surprised at the number of people with pets who need and want your help. Basic techniques for animals. The very small animals, such as birds or mice, can be cupped in your hands. Larger animals, such as cats, dogs, horses and cows, normally prefer that you begin by placing your hands behind their ears and working around their body, as you would with a normal full treatment for humans. However, if the animal has a specific injury, place your hands directly over the injury. Fish can be treated by placing your hands on either side of the fish tank. Animals that are wild or dangerous can be treated safely through distant healing, which you learn in the second degree. Another safe way to treat animals is by treating their food and drink. However, this is a weaker form of treatment. Remember, use your imagination. Plants and vegetation. Reiki will enrich your plants, flowers, trees and gardens. Daily treatment will soon show positive results. The easiest way to prove how effective Reiki is with your plants and vegetation is to conduct a simple experiment. Take several seeds, charge half of them with Reiki and place them in a pot. Then plant the other untreated seeds in a separate identical pot. Treat the seeds which were charged in the beginning with Reiki each day and observe how they flourish. Compare them to the pot of seeds that were simply left to grow naturally. Basic techniques for plants and vegetation. Treat seeds or bulbs before sowing or planting by cupping them in your hands for several minutes. Indoor and outdoor potted plants can be treated daily by placing your hands around the pot. Flowers, bushes and plants can be treated by placing your hands gently on their leaves, buds, branches or stems. Hold cut flowers by their stems for a couple of minutes. Continue daily treatment by placing your hands around the vase and you will extend the flower's life. Trees need longer treatments. The easiest way is to hug a tree. Lawns, plants, shrubs, flowers and trees can also be treated by treating their water supply. Larger gardens, woods and forests can be treated through distant healing, which again you will learn in the second degree. Food and drink. Treat your food and drink before you consume it. This will enrich it with the universal life force and improve the digestion process. The consumption of food takes more energy than any other bodily function. The quicker and more easily it is digested, the more energy is available for other activities. Basic techniques for food and drink. If you grow your own vegetables and herbs, treat as shown previously for plant and vegetation. During food preparation, you can place the food in your hands and conduct a short Reiki treatment. This is especially good if you're preparing a meal for the family. Just before you eat or drink, place your hands just above the plate or glass. This is especially useful if you're eating out and you're unable to see the food being prepared. Alternatively, you can place your hands on your stomach to assist digestion. Further uses for Reiki. There are 1,000,001 other uses for Reiki, including flat car batteries, especially on cold winter mornings, the medicine cabinet or first aid box, the bath water, your home, your car, protecting while travelling on trains, planes, buses, etc. We always like to send Reiki to the person either driving the train or flying the plane. Your work, your letters and documentation. In fact, you're only limited by your imagination. Use your imagination right now by listing as many ideas as you can on different ways to use Reiki in your life. Then make sure and try them out. Each idea will breed another one. Have fun and good luck. This concludes Lesson 16. Please move on now to Lesson 17.